Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine in your homes. This is the first video lecture of class 7th science, chapter number 1, human organ systems. Today's topic, digestive system. So our topic is digestive system. The parts of body that take parts in the process of digestion forms our digestive system. It starts from mouth and ends at the anus, the last part. It begins from mouth. The teeth are present in our mouth. The teeth breaks the food into small pieces by cutting and grinding. The saliva is also present in the mouth. The saliva mixes with food and becomes soft and moist. From the mouth, the food comes into the esophagus. This is esophagus, a large tube. As you can see, this is a large tube. The esophagus pushes the food into the stomach. From esophagus, the food comes into the stomach. This is stomach. Stomach is a large J-shaped muscular bag. Muscular means which can contract and relax. Here the food spends about 4 hours in the stomach. The stomach also secretes digestive juices that helps in the digestion of food. From stomach, our food comes into the small intestine. These are long tube called small intestine in our abdomen. Here, in small intestine, the final digestion of food takes place, and also the food is absorbed in the small intestine. Then small intestine and sends these food particles into the blood, and from blood these particles are then from stomach the food comes into small intestine. These are long tube coiled that there the final digestion of food takes place, and absorption of food also takes place in the large part of the small intestine. Then the undigested food comes into the large intestine. Here the undigested food have a large amount of water. The main function of large intestine is to absorb this water. The undigested food particles becomes in the solid form called feces. This feces, the large intestine store this feces in the last part called rectum. This is the opening called rectum. Then rectum remove this. Then rectum remove this feces from our body through the anus. These are the parts of the digestive system. First is mouth, second esophagus, third stomach, fourth small intestine, and fifth large intestine. There are also some supporters that helps in the process of digestion. The first one is liver. Liver produces bile that helps to digest our fat. The gallbladder is present in the liver. Liver stores its bile in the gallbladder. Then gallbladder releases this bile into the small intestine. This is the process of digestion through which our food is digested. Hope you all understand my lecture well. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.